Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to explain you one more concept related to the hemispherical bowl. See, in this hemispherical bowl, suppose you draw a hemispherical bowl. This is a one hemispherical bowl. The radius of the hemispherical bowl is r. Of course, it is also represented as r. And here the concept is related to, now we need to find a coefficient, by using this, when there is a one insect is travel up. So that here it is a travel up some certain heights. When reaches to certain height, and that insect is, it may loses the contact with the surface of hemispherical bowl. See, it is travel up and it reaches to certain heights. At that height, the insect is loses the contact with the surface. When it is loses the contact with the surface, therefore that insect is slowly comes down. It is falls down. So that is asking now, find at what height that insect is loses the contact. Height we need to get, so that at this position when it is coming down, there will be a frictional force is act opposite to the motion of an insect, because the insect is moving down. And coming to the point is, at this point is weight of the insect is acting mg down. If I go like this, it is makes an angle theta, and here also it is an angle theta. Now mg can be resolved as two components. One we can say mg cos theta, and one more we can say mg sin theta, which is in the direction like this. Clear now? Now he is asking at a what height that insect is loses that contact with the surface, because it is traveling up. At a certain height, it loses the contact. That height we need to get. So that here, let us actually, suppose you say it is a center O, and this point is A, and this point is B, and you say C. According to this information, this insect is travels height is h. Like here, look at here, it is reaches to the height h. Now we need to get this h, and here it is making an angle theta. Here you take it like this. This total is, I said here it is a radius r, no? Then here we need to get this one. This is the OC becomes, what happens? It is r minus h, we can write. R is the radius of the hemispherical ball. Now from this you take a diagram from OCB is a triangle. Look at once. When there is a triangle, OCB is a triangle. Use this triangle. Let us, you write a cos theta is equal to theta adjacent. You can write as r minus h. By this is also represented r, no? Then you write as r, because adjacent by hypotenuse. So that here r cos theta is equal to r minus h. Now h we need to get r minus r cos theta. Then h is equal to r of 1 minus cos theta. This is the height that insect is reaches. Suppose if we know the angle, then we'll get the height of the insect where it is reaches. Or else we can also get like this by using a one relation, that is we know relation between it is a theta, and there is a tan theta is equal to, we know, mu, that is mu by 1 you say. Then theta opposite mu, and here it is 1. Therefore this will be mu square plus 1. Right? Now use this triangle. Let us cos theta is equal to, we can write as 1 by root over mu square plus 1, because cos theta is nothing but adjacent by hypotenuse. Now this value here you write, then we'll get the final answer. Therefore the height it reaches r into root, I mean to say within the bracket 1 minus cos theta will be 1 by root over mu square plus 1. See, if in the question, if mu is given, suppose in the question if mu is given, then use the mu value and radius of the spherical bowl, get a height. This is the concept related to hemispherical bowl. When insect is traveling up, and at a one point it loses the contact, that height is h is equal to r of 1 minus cos theta, or else we can say in terms of mu, h is equal to r of 1 minus 1 by root over mu square plus 1. This is the concept. And then on this basis we have some problems related to the JEE NEET. Yeah, look at here. One problem is given based on the hemispherical bowl. Look at the question. See, there is a coefficient of friction between the hemispherical bowl and the insect. That is given as coefficient of friction is root over 0.44. And the radius of the spherical bowl is given as 0.6 meter. And the insect is traveling up through certain heights. And find a maximum height that insect can rises, or maximum height that can reaches. And at that point it may loses the contact. So that is asking H. Here given data is coefficient of friction is given as well as the radius is given. Is asking maximum height can reach as the insect. So there is a relation. Just now we derived the relation. That is the, we can write as like this solution. H is equal to R of 1 minus 1 by root over mu square plus 1. Done. What will be the R value? 0.6. It's very simple. It is also related to the JEE and the NEET. And here root over mu square value is given. It is root over actually 0.44, right? Here you write mu square plus 1. Therefore it is becomes what happens. It is, we can write as like you know, it is root over 0. Yes, here you write 0.44 because root is there, no? 44 plus 1. Then within the bracket H is equal to 0.6 of 1 minus 1 by root over 1.44 it is. But here root over 1.44 is approximately 1.2. Now let us you write here and simplify this. H is equal to 0.6 of 1 minus 1 by 1.2. So H is equal to 0.6, 1.2 minus 1 by 1.2. So better you cancel this. H is equal to 6 by 12. Here 0.2 we can 6162. So H is equal to, it is 0.1. It may rises the height is 0.1 meter according to the given data it is, right? And go through this solution as well as watch my videos regularly without fail and subscribe my channel. And if any doubts are there, then please message me and I'll explain you in the next classes, next videos. Thank you very much. We'll see you in the next video.